In this vid, we'll be exploring one of the ways you can customize Platinum to be a sophisticated AI-enhanced toolkit tailored to your corporate culture that understands your projects and respects your methodologies. A key part of that is Platinum's Cascading context engine. This is where you can inform the insights model about your organization, describe your research project, include analytical instructions, as well as specific info regarding each data table. How do we do that? How do we get under the hood? Well, navigate to Admin and select Context. You're first presented with the highest level about your organization. At this point, you may wish to consider who you are as a company. What kind of work do you do? How do you sit within the market? You might want to share something about your corporate culture, the methodologies you deploy, perhaps even some sector-specific guidelines. Give the system an idea of who you are. It's worth noting at this stage that none of this is mandatory. The system will work without bespoke context, and there is no perfect answer. More text is not always more effective. You may embark on an iterative process, try new things, test them out, see what works best for you and what gives your team that insights edge. Much of what we do is job specific. The drop-down allows us to select any job, adding context at that level. We could add client background, research objectives, business outcomes, perhaps a research timeline. Where did the data come from? If there are general methods or job-level analytical considerations, here might be a good place to add those in. Again, this is a world of opportunity for you to explore and experiment. Of course, data tables are unique too. To access the table level context for an entire job, just download the CSV file here. You can review entries, add, edit, and upload for batch population. We can view all this context combined within tables. Just select the three dots and settings on any table, and there it is. Transparency at every single level. We hope you have fun with this. For us, it's all part of the move away from a static build it and they will come era of software. In contrast, we're trying to create a more malleable system which can be tailored by you to amplify that which makes you and your teams unique.